Well, it wouldn't be an annual state fair if I wasn't in SkyRider. We're going north to south. I did 2 for the other channel. This is on the monetized, but 3rd day of September. It's every day weekend, it's Sunday. We came out here last Friday, so you've been seeing the videos going along here and try to get in the grandstand. But the next set of videos is going to be we're going to the Cone Park Zoo tomorrow. So, all right. Kind of see all this stuff down in here. You got camping over here. Here behind me, the sing along. So up here is kind of a kids farm, what do I want to call it. So if kids want to learn how to be farmers, and you got old Rider lawnmowers, which I'd love to buy a bunch of used ones and paint them in sports colors and sell them. Those are all kinds of trailers, as you see over here. I've done videos of that before. My favorite John Deere. I'll do a video there. You'll see that probably next one or after. I did on the non-monetized channel. They had like 60 at the moment. That's pretty good for non-monetized, but that's just a fun little sex object video. So over here, as we did one on my other channel, and also last Saturday, you'll see a lot of stuff come up here. I mean Friday, excuse me. People throwing panties and food and bracelets, and every year they throw all kinds of crap up here. And if it rains, it clogs it up, but you can tell. All kinds of stuff. Sometimes money's on there, but you see bras over there and panties, all the good stuff. Bracelets. There's the John Deere over there. Ferris wheels are cool. They just take forever to get hot in those things. They take forever to go around. They gotta load it. So you're talking a long time. So it's like a food place down here. Waldotch, there it is. There's your. That's the John Deere. They were like the original people up here on Machinery Hill. They called this. This is where farmers used to come to. So the closest you're gonna get to farm stuff is over here in John Deere. We have a lot of brand new restrooms they built over there. They're clean. The old days, you walk in there, you almost want to tip over. So they've come a long way. So I did the midway, you saw that. So I'll be able to go through the John Deere and look at them all without anybody in my way. So. State fair, man. Haven't had too much to eat, some things, but just enough to keep busy. It's 100. It's hot, but I've seen worse. So. We got Ford coming up here. I did one for the other channel on Friday, going the other direction, and there was a Journey song that was in the background. They partially blocked it as we did it. Go up here, see how high you get up here. Got a lot of water today. There's Ford, falling down road dead. My old man was a Ford man, a John Deere man.
And out of the sun and into the shade. Cool off with the visitors and come on in to the registration station. Pick up some free swag while supplies last. We are already
the grandstand is to the right. They had Kiss there a long time ago. Alabama played all the time. It's cool. I saw George Thurgood there 2 years ago.
You are good to go.
And there's a convertible.
Daily drawing. We are giving away premium prizes.
Really? What's premium?
Every day on the State Fair, including the Xbox One.
Oh no.
JBL and Bose Bluetooth speakers.
Sweet.
Minnesota Twins tickets.
Nice.
Apple AirPods.
Oh boy.
4K TV. So many amazing prizes.
GMC professional made Hummers.
Raider 650 pellet grill. Value at $1,300. All attentions one and another time.
Hello down there. But it wouldn't be complete for the ride on here. Be at the fair on a Sunday, Labor Day weekend, as everyone's come back and they're at home, so you can have pretty free reign of the area. They have a lot of good deals on stuff as well. My dad always buys something for the family. We bought a bed a long time ago. So. Cadet is over here. Toro. Snapper mown downs on the other area over there. So Chevy. Find New Roads over there. I think Dodge is on there, so they were. That's where I saw Dante Culpepper the rookie year. His last year I saw him at the club before I left. That was funny. I thought the K Midway was gonna go. I thought the Kiddie Midway was gonna go away. I thought they said, but I guess not. This was something else. But go over there, go on rides, small roller coasters. They can have a good time. Got the slide up over there. I might go to the. Oh, they have a smaller slide over there. The bigger one is, and they also the SkyRider over here. That right over there broke. It's a fun ride to go on. Broke. Toro, Minnesota company. Buy toys if you want. There you go, look at that. Oh God, you can see on there all kinds of candy, bras. There's a right over there. So we're coming in for a landing, ladies and gentlemen. So the grandstand is over there to my right. Used to be every Labor Day, they used to have a racetrack over. They used to have a race, Labor Day race. Some of the big guys would come there and race. They said I didn't see, but Kiss was there. Alabama was over there. Thurgood's been over there. Hart has been there. It's a great place. Joannis Brothers were in town. Lots of good stuff. So see if you can see it over there. It's like 15,000 or something like that. You can see. So, but yeah, we're coming to a Hornet Pavilions. That's like a company thing if someone wants to over there. So, oh my God, I love to eat, but when it's this hot, it's unbearable. But I'll go to the John Deere. Free Bibles, I guess. They have an arcade here, but the one I was at before, there was all kinds of stuff. So coming down the road, you guys. Here we go. Make sure I got my bag all ready to roll. Here we go, you guys are coming on down. The end of the ride. I'm gonna go on the Como Park Zoo. I'm gonna go on the roller coaster on there. Check that out. So let me see. Is it getting hot? Yeah, a little bit. I'll put it away for a little bit before I go to John Deere, and I'll kind of sit and relax and give it a rest. But it's the 5th video, so we're coming in for landing. Oh, we're stopping. help me, I'm stuck. But someone always can't get off, or get off fast, so they have to stop it, so. It's getting kind of thinning out the herd, because tomorrow's the last day. I haven't heard a lot of criminal behavior going on, because usually have at night. I guarantee in Labor Day they'll probably have a lot of problems. If people come in here and they want to disturb stuff at like 10 o'clock, you know, the last day of something, they always do that here. This is where they should have the Taste of Minnesota. You guys saw that right here. Would have been a lot more easier, but they didn't, so. But starting up a tank, and we're going to end this thing, so. Oh. We're going down, I think. Yep, we're going down, guys. We're going down, Captain. Here we go, you guys. Got my stuff. You ready? Here we go. Oh no! Here it is. There it is. All right. Ready, man? How you going, dude? What's happening?
Next to the left, sir.
Yep, I will.
Put that camera a little bit low.
Yep. Thank you. Yep. Ooh. There we go, you guys. We got off. Woo. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. There it is, SkyRider right there. So, all right, out of here.